Sometimes you make a decision and you try it. Retail, working in restaurants, TV station, teaching, and now a lawyer and law firm owner. So I want to talk to you for a minute about my legal journey and give a little bit of advice to my younger self. You know, looking back, the legal journey for me wasn't always an easy one. It was one that actually just kind of came out of nowhere and necessity in a lot of ways. So I'm the oldest of 4 kids and grew up in northern central Ohio area. So right around Toledo, Sandusky. After high school, ended up moving out to Idaho for a while because of a girl who I happen to be married to now. But figuring out what I wanted to be whenever I grew up was always a really hard thing for me to do. So in the beginning, I had worked just any odd job that I could have, anything from retail to restaurants. Ended up moving down to Las Vegas and going to UNLV and got my undergrad in communications with a minor in film and thought that this would be the be all end all, right? And I get my undergrad degree and have that shiny diploma, and I expected there to be a line of people just lined up waiting to hire me and offer me a job and career aspirations and money, and none of that actually happened. Here I am still trying to figure out, well, why isn't this working? You know, what's not happening? Working, you know, at a local ABC affiliate while I'm working retail at night, so working 2 jobs, substitute teaching at one point as well, and really enjoyed that quite a bit. So I thought then this would be the job, right? This is the career path that I should be doing. Then got into teaching full time for a period of time, and ultimately that didn't work out either. And then at 35 years old, without any real prospects, decided, hey, why not go to law school? Which is what every rational person would think, you know, let's just go to law school. And so ended up going to law school, but I was not accepted into a local Colorado law school. So there's 2 law schools in the state of Colorado, one up at UC Boulder and then one in Denver. I wasn't accepted into either of those. And so I ended up getting into University of Toledo for my first year of law school and went out there while my wife and kids stayed here in Colorado. So went and did that from afar, came back here and ended up working for a couple local attorneys that really helped me out quite a bit. Also had an internship with a local judge as well that really helped out a lot too. You know, it was both of those ideas of seeing what law was like, both from a courtroom perspective with the judge and then a day-to-day practice perspective with the law firm. Law school itself, crazy hard. It's a thing where in your first year, they play this exercise with everybody sitting there for orientation. It's this game of look to your left, look to your right. One of the 3 of you making it is, you know, kind of the odds right there. So it's a thing where you're uncomfortable a lot. There is a massive amount of really dense reading, and you also, because of the Socratic method, have to put yourself out there quite a bit, where you're basically called on and then they put you on point, ready to go. So the law school journey made me realize that I can make mistakes and that I can screw up along the way. It wasn't just one easy path or journey. It was actually more like that, you know, kind of squiggly line that you see that's just a mess of a line, because the path was not always clear. It's the thing, right? Is like sometimes you make a decision and you try it, which is, you know, for me, I've tried many, which is retail, working in restaurants, working in the TV station, teaching, and now as a lawyer and law firm owner. So each time there's just different versions and iterations of myself that kind of walk through different things that I'm learning along the way. And that's part of my law school journey.